Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create rules on Microsoft Lists. This feature lets you automate actions based on specific triggers, making your workflow more efficient and saving you tons of time. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to your Microsoft Lists link. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your account using your Microsoft credentials. This ensures you have access to all your lists and can create automation rules for them. After logging in, you'll see your dashboard with all your available lists. Go ahead and click on the list where you want to create a rule. This could be any list you're managing, whether it's for project tracking, inventory, or team tasks. Once your list opens, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. You'll notice several options there. Click on the Integrate button. This section is where you'll find all the automation and connectivity features that Microsoft Lists offers, including the ability to create custom rules. From the Integrate menu, click on Rules. This will open up the rules creation interface where you can set up automated actions based on different triggers. Rules are powerful because they let your list respond automatically to changes without any manual intervention. Now you'll see 4 different trigger options to choose from. You can select an item is modified, a new item is created, an item is deleted, or a date approaches. Each of these triggers serves different purposes depending on what you want to automate. For this example, let's click on a new item is created. This trigger is particularly useful when you want something to happen automatically every time someone adds a new entry to your list. After selecting your trigger, you'll see a section that says when an item is created. Click on the drop-down menu next to it, and you'll have 2 options, always or if condition. The always option means the rule will execute every single time the trigger occurs, while if condition lets you add specific criteria. For this example, click if to add a condition. Then choose a column from your list. Let's say you select the column full name. Next, choose a condition operator such as is, and then input a value that the column needs to match for the rule to activate. This conditional logic gives you precise control over when your automation runs. Moving on to the action part, click on Send an email to. Here you'll see 2 action options, Send an email to or Set the value. For this example, click Set the value. This action allows you to automatically populate or modify a column in your list. Choose which column you want to update, then input the column value you want it to be set to. This is incredibly useful for standardizing data or automatically filling in information based on the conditions you've set. Once you've configured everything, click the Create button. Your rule is now active and will start working immediately based on the triggers and actions you've defined. And that's it. You've successfully created an automation rule in Microsoft Lists that will help streamline your workflow and reduce manual data entry. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.